Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted files from Dropbox. If you've accidentally deleted a file or a folder from Dropbox, then do not worry at all. Dropbox keeps a version history and a trash folder where you can recover deleted items. But you will need to go ahead and do this on a web browser. Launch open a web browser on your mobile device and then type in dropbox.com. You'll then end up in the homepage of Dropbox. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. And once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. Now in the expanded menu, click on Deleted Files. Inside Deleted Files, you will see a list of recently deleted items. Go ahead and click on the item, and then you can also restore the deleted item by tapping on Restore. And that's how you will be able to find deleted files from Dropbox. If you've accidentally deleted a file or a folder, then you can always recover it following these steps. The files that you've accidentally deleted will be stored in the trash folder for 30 days. For basic or plus user, it will be in the trash folder longer for professional and business users. So that is how you can easily find deleted files from Dropbox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.